ISC conference series, I have been attending more than 10 years actually, when it was in Heidelberg. And every year I try to attend. And of course, for the past 10 years or so, I've been attending every year. And it's one of the most enjoyable conferences I've ever been to. The conference has transformed significantly over the last 10 plus years I've been attending. In Heidelberg, it was just a very small conference, just small sets of invited talks. Now in Frankfurt, it's a full-fledged international conference with an abundance of both academic and also industrial research contents. My role in 2016 program of ISC is the technical program chair. So I oversee the overall content, technical contents of the conference, such as technical papers, workshops, and so forth. Of course, there are various chairs that are responsible for each of the programs. I personally am responsible for looking at the themes of the conference and working with the others to select the invited speakers and so forth. So there are lots of things regarding technical program I'm responsible for. Well, ISC, as is with supercomputing in the United States, ISC is a premier place for people to come to look to enjoy meeting, of course, their colleagues, but also to observe the latest and the greatest in the high-performance computing technical area. By coming to ISC, you get a very condensed experience in just several days, looking at both basically everything that's going on, everything that's hot that's going on in the HPC arena. So it's a great time saver. You have a great time in Frankfurt, but also I think it's sort of an experience that you will never forget, and will likely motivate you to come back every year. Yes, Frankfurt is very appealing because it's a hub, and thus it is very easy for people to get to, not just within Europe, but also from all across the globe. There are lots of direct flights from the US, from China, from Japan, and other parts of the globe. And also Frankfurt has a whole bunch of very nice hotels, and they're reasonably priced typically. So, and also their food is good too. So, and the best thing is the conference center is right next to, very close to the station. So there are lots of advantages about Frankfurt, and I think the attendance will grow over the years as people find out that it's a very convenient place to be.